Good afternoon. I got a really gorgeous 2015 Range Rover Evoque here. It is all-wheel drive and it comes with the dynamic package, which gives it a really nice sporty look. These beautiful, I think they're 20-inch factory Range Rover wheels, and this blue color is really pretty. I think the dynamic comes with a lot of color matching parts on the outside. Gives it a really nice look, and yeah, it just looks really sharp. It's a beautiful blue. Since it is the dynamic, it comes with, I think this is like the most equipped model or trim available. So yeah, it's got those it does have 20-inch Range Rover wheels, and it's got really nice Continental all-season tires all around, and they are in really good shape. So they're like 80%, 90% tread depth remaining. Let's have a look at the inside. It's black leather interior, and it's in really good shape as well. It does have a panorama roof. We'll open that up. I also noticed this thing's got a crazy amount of speakers. I mean, it's got 3 speakers right here on this driver door. So it's got the Meridian Premium Sound, the rubber floor mats. Let's open up the roof here. While that's opening up, we'll hop in. Okay. So yeah, it's got steering wheel controls. It looks like that's heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, standard stereo controls and stuff like that. This one's got 76,000 miles on it. Yeah, the radio and screen, they're in really good shape. No claw marks or anything like that. It does have heated seats. Navigation, let's throw in reverse. It does have camera. It has park sensors as well. I believe it's in both the back and the front. Yeah, open up. We got the cup holders, standard stuff. In here, looks like we got the USB and AUX inputs. Let's go have a look. Gotta close that moonroof actually, or the pano roof. I'm gonna open up. It's got a power lift gate. It also has a blind spot monitoring too, which is really nice. Have a look in the back seats. Again, 2 speakers there. I don't even know how many speakers are in here, but there's a lot. Like I can see one right here. There's obviously a matching one on that side as well. 6, 10. There's at least 12 speakers in this Range Rover. It's got a rubber mat and privacy cover in the back as well. Those are the speakers I'm talking about. It does have power lift gate. Went over that already. Yeah, I just can't get over this color. It is a beautiful deep blue color. The wheels look really nice. They're factory gloss black. And they got the nice Continentals on them. Let's pop the hood. I believe this is a 4-cylinder turbo. Yeah. It does have a roof rack on top. So yeah, this is a really beautiful luxury SUV, all-wheel drive. And it doesn't exactly break the bank. I think these are probably about 60, 70 grand brand new. So you're definitely getting a savings. So I hope this helped out if this is what you're looking for. All right, take care. Have a good day.